Hey, I just wanted to jump in to inspire you for someone putting your desire or goals on hold. You maybe have some sort of calling. I need to start that. Or next year, I'm gonna start that. Or once my kids going to school, I start that. All those things, you putting hold, you pushing the time limit to future. This is actually defense mechanism you have by fears. So basically in your head, this is not something you consciously know. You're not consciously thinking this. Just the battle, constant battle in your head. But subconsciously that fear won, so it's decided to put this one and off. And the fear usually is this: I'm not ready. I need to know more. It has to be perfect timing. Just too busy now. I don't think I can be organized enough to do this. All those reasons, it's a valid reason, but that is definitely stopping you to be your highest potential. Here is the thing. Reason why you wanted to do X, Y, Z. You maybe wanted to start a own business, or you wanted to be stay-home mom and make money from home. You maybe start a diet. You wanted to have the health goal. You have a health goal to achieve. Whatever it is, right? Whatever. Reason why you want that, reason why you even thought about that, that's because you are ready. That's it. Full stop. But soon you started thinking about it, fear get in your way. That's normal. You got to train your mind to not to get disturbed of those fears. So my message to you today is, if I really trusting this message going to the person really need to hear this. I really trusting this process. Because I get called to do, so I'm the same place. I get called to make this video today. I channel this information to give the message to you. But before I jumping onto the camera, I have a lot of resistance. Oh, not resistance really. I don't really mind to do making video. That's no problem for me. But a lot of excuse in my head. Oh, I don't want to put the makeup on. Or do I have enough time? Or lots. But I just trusted I am ready to do this. So I did it. And I'm trusting this message is come to you. So now your turn. This is not coincidence, guys. This is called synchronicity. You are thinking about it, oh my God, I really want to do that, but I don't know I can do that. I'm just going to start maybe later on. I'm just going to put that one in a vision board later. Then you somehow found me watching this. Either you know me or not, somehow stumble close to my stuff. They're watching this. And they're telling you this. How you feeling now? You're feeling, holy, is someone watching me? Yeah? So I really want you to taking action. Because you're never ready, guys. Simple as that. Never ready. Because you can expand more. When I learn more, I love geeking out. I like studying. I love learning what I love, mindset, manifestation, and neuroscience, all that sort of thing. More I learn, I realize how little I know. But does it stopping me? No. Because I know more I learn, I can give more. But at this moment in time, it's enough. Ready now. Then just moving on towards it. I never stop learning. I never stop expanding. I will keep going, but I'm not gonna wait to share my wisdom, share my knowledge to you guys because I am not ready, because I know it's never gonna be ready. So just trust that. Reason why, I'm gonna say one more time, reason why you get called to do whatever you wanted to do is because you are ready. Then that's number one. Number two, you're listening to this for some reason. Number two, is that enough? Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. That's it from me. See ya.